While most Cadasio users want to share their interactive presentations publicly with customers, there are times when you may want to limit who can access your content. In this video, we'll show you the different ways you can keep your Cadasio projects private. Nothing you create in Cadasio is shared publicly unless you explicitly publish it online. If you're only using Cadasio to create 2D media, such as images or PDFs, there's nothing further you need to do. When you do publish a project online, Cadasio provides several powerful privacy options, all available in the Privacy tab. These options can be used individually or combined for additional security. The simplest option is password protection. Anyone attempting to view the published project must enter the password before access is granted. This is ideal for sharing content with clients, suppliers, or partners, while maintaining control over who can view it. You can also restrict access to only people within your workspace. With a Cadasio Premium subscription, you can add viewer-only team members from the dashboard. This is useful for colleagues on the shop floor or the assembly line. When a viewer logs into the Cadasio dashboard, they'll see a list of only the published projects they're allowed to view. This setting can be applied per project or globally. To apply it to all projects, go to Workspace, Security, and enable Restrict to Workspace. This will affect all existing projects and set the default for any new ones. Finally, you can restrict access to specific IP addresses. In the security area of the dashboard, enable the IP whitelist, then add specific IP addresses or a range of IPs. Back in the designer, enabling this option ensures that even if a link or password is shared, access is limited to approved locations only. Hopefully, you found this video useful and seen how privacy in Cadasio is always in your control. Whether you're creating internal documentation or publishing projects externally, you decide exactly who can see your work. Remember, these options aren't mutually exclusive. You can combine workspace restrictions, password protection, and IP whitelisting to create layered security that matches your exact requirements.